Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on or how to enable speech recognition service in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on speech recognition service on Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu. Click on Settings. In left pane, click on Accessibility. Now scroll down. Here you will find an interaction service, Speech. Click on Speech. You will find Windows Speech Recognition. Now it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. You have to make sure your audio hardware is properly connected to your computer. Click on OK. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.